Let me start cleaning the fish. I filleted the fish. I removed the scales first, and then I removed the head, and I removed the bone in the middle, right, that one here. And I ended up with a fish fillet. Oops. I'm putting olive oil into baking dish so that the fish doesn't stick at the bottom. Salt and pepper inside and outside. Red peppercorn inside as well with red pepper. And the fish is ready for preheated oven. While the fish is in the oven, let me do the fennel salad. What you can do is cut the ends off first and remove the outer layer. Here's what I did. I cut them into strips about 1/4 inch thick, and then I will cut it again. And here it is. I cut it into cubes about 1/4 inch again. I'm fond of 1/4 inch thick today. Let's do the apple. This is fennel and apple salad. I'm peeling it, and then I'm also going to cut it into the same size of fennel. Let me just transfer it to a bowl. Lemon juice to keep it white. Pitted olives. Capers. Lemon zest. Grating garlic for dressing. I'm putting 2 cloves of garlic. Lemon juice. Olive oil. And here's the fronds. These are the fronds. Salt and pepper. And let's put the dressing. And here it is, fish just comes out from the oven.